In a world that constantly demands your attention, where stress feels like the default state, true peace often seems out of reach. But there is a path to finding stillness amidst the chaos. A path rooted in the ancient wisdom of Zen Buddhism. Zen isn't about escaping reality. It's about fully waking up to it. It's a simple, direct practice focused on the here and now. The power of presence. The foundation of Zen is mindfulness, the practice of keeping your attention anchored in the present moment. We spend so much time lost in regrets of the past or anxieties about the future. Zen teaches us that life exists only now. Try this. When you're doing a routine task like making coffee or brushing your teeth, commit fully to it. Feel the weight of the mug. Notice the aroma. This is Zen in action. Finding the sacred in the mundane. It's about being where you are. Zazen, just sitting. The core practice in Zen is Zazen, or just sitting. It's not complicated. You sit upright in silence and simply observe. When thoughts arise, and they will, you acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Your mind isn't the enemy, it's just busy. Zazen teaches us not to fight our thoughts, but to let them pass like clouds across the sky. This creates mental space and profound calm. Acceptance and non-attachment. A major source of suffering is our resistance to what is. We cling to what we like and push away what we don't. Zen encourages acceptance. Embrace the truth of impermanence. Everything, feelings, circumstances, even our own lives, is constantly changing. When we understand this, we let go of the need for things to be just so. This is non-attachment, and it frees us from unnecessary struggle. When you stop clinging, peace flows in. Your peaceful path. Zen for a peaceful life isn't a quick fix. It's a daily practice. Start small. Take 3 mindful breaths right now. Bring presence to your next meal. Sit quietly for just 5 minutes. Peace isn't something you achieve. It's something you uncover. It's already within you, waiting beneath the layers of busyness. Embrace the moment. This is your life. This is Zen. I hope this video was helpful to you. I wish you inner peace. Follow this channel for more.